Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop additional order from Uber Eats. If an extra order was placed by mistake, act fast. Open the Uber Eats app, tap on the order at the bottom. If you see more than one active order, tap the order you don't want. If the restaurant has not started preparing the food, tap cancel order. Repeat for each extra order. This is no cancel all button, so each order must be cancelled at one time. Turning on Face ID for payment helps stop additional one tap order. For that, open the setting app on your phone, scroll down and tap Face ID and password, and make sure Face ID is turned on. Scroll down and enable Face ID for wallet and Apple Pay, iTunes and App Store. Now Uber Eats will ask for Face ID before charging you. If you're using group order, multiple items can be added quickly. Once everyone has added food, place the order right away or in the group order. Leave it open can cause confusion and extra orders. Always double check the checkout screen before tapping place order. Take one extra second, it can save your money. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.